Hey, it's Dave. One thing is certain. REM sleep has a positive modulation of neurogenesis. Neuro, referring to the nerves of our brain. And genesis, the start of something. In our case, myelin, which comes into existence. So an easier way to say it, sleep is the time when myelin is replaced after multiple sclerosis has stolen it. Let me tell you about a supplement I recently stumbled on that has done some amazing things for my sleep. But first, I'm going to explain the science behind it. Then I'll tell you my real life experience taking it and the wonderful, amazing benefits it's given me. So it's called glycine. Glycine is an amino acid produced by the body that is essential for the production of collagen in bones, skin, muscles, and connective tissues. But here's the important part when it comes to multiple sclerosis. It also plays a role in nerve signal transmission. I've talked about nerve signaling action potentials before. Action potentials are what make weightlifting such a powerhouse in myelin creation. Glycine regulates those nerves' impulses, especially in spinal cord, the retina of the eye, and the brainstem. But getting back to glycine and sleep, it's thought to offer health benefits when taken in supplement form. One of the biggest being fighting insomnia. It's thought that by supplementing the glycine already produced by the body, certain health conditions like MS may be treated by focusing on glycine's role in the central nervous system. So shifting focus from the science basis to my real life results. I bought a bottle of glycine, a while ago. And it's been sitting in my medicine cabinet in my bathroom, unopened. I had read things recently. They were vague, tying glycine with sleep. So I decided to break open the bottle. I wasn't expecting much, but man, was I pleasantly surprised. I only really look in my medicine cabinet right after getting out of the shower. I have been really loving my cold showers. I'll put a link at the end of this video to the video I was just released talking about it. Glycine and the cold showers, oddly enough, tie together perfectly to enhance sleep, particularly sleep quality. The issues I've been having as of late is achieving consistency. Maybe you have the same problem. But this seems to fix it. Keeping my body cold has many benefits. First, as I said before, it prevents insomnia. Sleep is stimulated when your body is aided by dropping its core temperature. Cold rooms facilitate that process and thus trigger sleep. Second, it improves sleep quality. As I said, staying cool makes it easier to control sleeping temperature. Achieving it helps the body transition to the REM sleep when that stage that we desperately need. And number 3, it improves melatonin levels. Research has discovered that cold temperatures aid the production of melatonin, which has a trickle-down effect. All of these benefits are aided by supplementing glycine. Hearing it is one thing, but experiencing it is a whole other one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.